Welcome to this tutorial. We're delving into the realm of grade calculations, uncovering two dynamic methods to calculate grades in Excel. Join us as we explore the efficiency of the versus lookup function in our first method and harness the power of a user-defined function using VBA code in our second. Let's dive into the world of calculating grades. Let's see the first method in action. We'll leverage the brilliance of the versus lookup function to calculate grades seamlessly. When you use the versus lookup function in Excel, you'll need a table with column values sorted in ascending order. Then, you need to set up an approximate match condition. The VLOOKUP function works by searching through a table for data. It looks up the value in a column based on its row or column index. The lookup value will return an approximate match when it meets the input value. Assume your scores are in column B and the grade boundaries are in column C. In a new column, use the formula equals versus lookup F2, B3, C8, 2, true. Adjust the cell references as needed and drag the formula down to apply it to the entire column. You can see Excel dynamically assigning grades based on the versus lookup function. Now, let's explore the second method, a user-defined function using VBA code. Brace yourself for VBA code magic to calculate grades. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor. Insert a new module by right-clicking on any item in the Project Explorer and selecting Insert, Module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor. In a cell, type equals calculate grade, F2. Adjust the cell reference as needed. Press Enter, and observe as the VBA code skillfully calculates grades based on the provided score. With these steps, you can now use the VBA code to calculate grades in Excel. With these two methods at your fingertips, you now possess the skills to calculate grades efficiently in Excel. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers, and, as always, thanks for watching.